Welcome to Lisbon, the capital of Portugal. Being built on 7 hills, Lisbon has plenty of amazing viewpoints, offering incredible views over the city landscape. In this video, we are going to explore the best 5 viewpoints of the Portuguese capital. We start at the Porta do Sol Viewpoint, between Alfama and the St. Jorge's Castle, literally meaning sun's doors. This viewpoint is the place to come if you wish to watch the sun rise in Lisbon. It is one of Lisbon's most visited places by tourists, and it is on the route of the famous tram 28. The viewpoint is faced by the Azarara Palace, an aristocratic residence from the 18th century, which is now the Decorative Arts Museum. A statue of Saint Vincent holding the symbols of Lisbon, a boat with 2 ravens, faces the museum, and next to it is a kiosk serving refreshments. For more drinks and light meals, head to the cafe on the attractive terrace below it. This viewpoint is essentially one huge balcony above the ancient Alfama neighborhood. Its panoramic view has illustrated countless postcards. Take your time to take some of the best photos in Lisbon. Make sure to check the remains of the old city wall, the towers of the monastery of Saint Vincent, and the dome of the National Pantheon standing out in the skyline make this one of the best views in the city. It is often overcrowded, so try to come in the early hours to have a peaceful visit. Take a look over the Alfama rooftops and get a different view of the city's oldest neighborhood. Having escaped the destruction caused by the 1755 huge earthquake that destroyed Lisbon downtown, this neighborhood with its narrow streets, it's one of Lisbon's top attractions. From here, you can just go downstairs to visit Alfama. Next on the list we have the popular Santa Luzia viewpoint, located right next to the Porta do Sol Viewpoint. This romantic terrace by the Church of Santa Luzia introduces visitors to Alfama with a sweeping view over its houses, churches, and the Tagus River. This viewpoint boasts a poetic and picturesque setting, thanks to the presence of a distinctive arbor covered with bougainvilleas. Also of particular beauty are the typical Portuguese tiles. Also on the tram 28 route, make sure to admire the Santa Luzia Church. Soak the romantic atmosphere accompanied by artists showing their illustrations of Lisbon, and by musicians providing a soundtrack. As it is small, it can get quite crowded at sunset time. But if you're lucky, you can take a seat in one of the tiled benches under the pergolas and enjoy the views. The small garden is a perfect location to take some beautiful photos. On the church's southern wall are 2 tile panels. One shows downtown Lisbon before its destruction by the 1755 earthquake, and the other illustrates the Crusaders storming the castle in 1147 after a 5-month siege. If you look down, you can spot the tile roofs and the white houses of the Alfama quarter. With its cozy and romantic vibe, it is easy to understand why this is one of the most visited places in Lisbon. For stunning views over the Castle Hill and Lisbon downtown, the Senhora do Monte viewpoint is the place to go. Located at the top of Lisbon's tallest hill, the name derives from a glass-encased image of the Virgin that stands in front of a charming white chapel dedicated to Saint Jens, a bishop martyr in Roman times. Extremely popular during sunset time, this viewpoint is really worth climbing the hill for a perfect opportunity to get some amazing photographs of the landscape pan city, as well as the Tagus River and the Castle of St. George. This viewpoint offers incredible views, so sit back, relax and take in this beautiful city to your heart. For sure, you won't be disappointed. Best times for photography are early morning for daytime, and dusk to catch the sunset colors in the sky. This viewpoint is located in the Graça neighborhood, and nearby is the famous Graça viewpoint, also offering great city views. Make sure to spot the castle, the Martin Manas Square, the suspended Lisbon Bridge, the Carmel ruins, and so many other Lisbon landmarks. Enjoy the casual and relaxed atmosphere and take your time to listen to some local street artists that often perform here. Senhora do Monte, meaning Lady of the Hill, will surely become one of your best Lisbon memories. Right next to Bairro Alto and Chiado, we will find the most visited viewpoint in Lisbon, the São Pedro de Alcântara viewpoint. Offering stunning views of the castle and most of downtown Lisbon, the São Pedro de Alcântara scenic viewpoint can be one of the most romantic spots in Lisbon. The park serves also as a popular meeting place for friends about to embark on a night out in the bars, restaurants and photo clubs of the Barrio Alto. There are 2 terraces connected by stairs, one upper and one lower. The lower is ideal if you want a more calm and peaceful time to take a rest while admiring the views. In the park there are several sculptures of Greek gods and goddesses, as well as a beautiful fountain and a monument to the founder of a famous newspaper. Come here at sunset and enjoy as the city lights up below. Then head to nearby neighborhoods Bairro Alto or Príncipe Real for a night on the town. Quite close to the viewpoint garden, you will find one of Lisbon's famous funiculars. The Gloria elevator connects the lower Liberty Avenue to Bairro Alto, and it is extremely popular among tourists. On the top of our list, and offering the most dramatic views over the city, is the Santa Justa Lift. Connecting downtown to the Chiado neighborhood, this iconic symbol of Lisbon offers its visitors some of the best perspectives over Lisbon Baixa neighborhood. The elaborately designed Santa Justa Lift is not only a functional construction, but also a work of art. The viewing platform is the perfect location to admire the city's architecture by day, but also one of the most romantic locations to see the city at night. Don't forget to check the lively Chiado streets views from the bridge connecting the platform to the ruined Carmo convent, a Gothic monument that stands as a reminder of the devastating earthquake of 1755. Take your time to take some of your best travel photos to remember when you miss Lisbon. The lift is characterized by a romantic and vintage charm, but at the same time, it is a masterpiece of engineering and an avant-garde project for the times of its construction. Enjoy a magnificent view of Lisbon downtown, Rocio Square, the castle, and the Tagus River. Since its construction, the lift has become a tourist attraction as among the urban lifts in the city, Santa Justa is the only remaining vertical one. To access this viewpoint, you need to wait in a long queue and pay a ticket to ride the lift, but you can just walk the Chiado Hill up to Carmo Square and just walking. Make sure to check my other videos explaining how to walk to the top for free. I hope you enjoyed this video and that one day you will enjoy some of these amazing Lisbon views when you visit this beautiful city.